Hello everyone. I am Esther. Today I would like to share about how to use SQL Submit Self-Billed when you purchase from Taobao. There are generally two situations. One is expenses and the other is trading items. So in this video we will show you Submit Self-Billed as expenses. What is expenses? Today if you are purchasing something for the company's use, it is called an expense. First of all, we need to create supplier profile, so we go to supplier. Choose maintain supplier. Click new. Enter company name. Country choose China. Remember choose supplier's currency. E-Invoice submission select self-billed. Classification code choose 034. Next, go to tax. For TIN number select foreign supplier. Once done click save. After save your supplier information, go to cash book entry. Click new PV. Enter your supplier name. Add your item. If got permit no, just key in, if not, just leave it blank. Enter your item amount. The classification code choose 034. After that go to more.
Enter company name TAOBAO.
Country select China. The submission choose self-billed. Lastly, enter the foreign supplier general TIN code. Now click save. Go to My Invoice, select Submit E-Invoice. Once click Submit, your self-billed has done submitted. Follow us for more E-Invoice updates and tips.